lilibrihan ka ni Foden ng ano. Lilibrihan ka ni Foden ng February 15. Uy, ito na.
Alright, round 3.
Here we go.
Ayun na, nag-start na sila ulit. Ayun. Okay, bumabalik na yun si Opius, so medyo. So bumabalik na si Opius, oh.
Opius is got critical damage.
Touch it.
Oh, look at Sheki.
Wow.
He's winning.
Tago mo pa eh.
Iniisip ko kasi, ayun na yung KP.
Damage to Opius.
Bumabangot ulit si ano, si Opius. Pero ang lakas ng damage ni GGG, yun yung ano. Medyo mas mababa yung health ni GGG. Pero sige lang, kakayanin.
Look at Sheki.
Hinampas sa puwet, gatay. Okay. So kita-kita niyo na yun. Ayun. Yun.
Oh,
Nasa taas.
Bang.
GGG is
Hinampas sa puwet. Hinampas naman sa puwet.
Left hook, right hook, uppercut.
Nearly half of his health remaining. You could tell. Look at. Would you look at
Pero
Sheki's
medyo
backspin, I think. Whoa!
Okay, stop.
Friendly Fire is being presented to you by Deluxe Cable Watch with Deluxe, DLX Karaoke Sing Your Heart Out, brought to you by Wala, literal na wala, Talil Dishwashing Paste, ng galing-galing, Katipunan Hot Dogs, the #1 hot dog, UNC, we want to move it, and brought to you in part by Pilsen, the #1 paint, Virtual Easy Clean Paint with Teflon, Pilsen Blend and Go Color Station, Patriot Paint, Tidal Elastomeric, with the participation of